Okay, hello grade 8s. This is lesson M6, combining systems. Just taking a look, and this is really just kind of putting things together that we've already learned. A machine is simply a combination of complex systems, and a simple machine is the subsystem, which is just a part of that whole larger system. Now, so some examples of simple machines include things like levers, pulley, or a wheel and axle. Now, when you put a simple machine together, you don't call them simple anymore. You call them, it's combined. It's a machine. So most modern machines are just a huge number of simple machines working together for a precise function. When simple machines are part of a large system, we call it again a subsystem. Now, if we take a look at the braking system, braking systems are really just class 2 levers where the force of the driver's foot on the brake pedal is where the effort force is happening. The load is a force on the piston that applies pressure to the brake fluid. And from the master cylinder, brake fluid flows through the tubes and branches out to the wheel. The brake fluid exerts pressure on the brake pad, which creates the friction. So here, drawing this figure, again, class 2 lever. This is our fulcrum. This is where our load, this is where the load is, effort being applied here. And so you've got load in the middle, class 2 lever. It's going to eventually apply here. Now the other, right, it applies all the way to here, applying a force to the brake pad to get the wheel attached. Please draw this diagram out in your book. You can pause the video or go to your textbook if you need to. Now, a backhoe or an excavator is, at its most simple level, is basically a combination of 3 levers, which we call a boom, a dipper, and a bucket. Rotating assembly. And so these would be 3 levers. Now the rotating assembly mounted on a caterpillar is usually mounted on caterpillar tracks. And the assembly swings around a gear like a gear system. All of it is powered by hydraulics. And the 3 levers combined to put the bucket into any position. If we were to take a look at the boom, is actually a class 3 lever with the effort in the middle, which raises and lowers the dipper. So on the backhoe, this is the one that is closest to the person. The dipper is actually a class 1 lever, which moves the bucket. So that second one there next to the bucket, and the bucket is also a class 1 lever. That tilts to dig a hole and empty its load and dirt and other material. It's all just a combination of systems. The idea of a Rube Goldberg machine is commonly seen as where you use a bunch of unnecessary steps in order to try to take a look. And there is a video attached to your lesson of 6 other Rube Goldberg machines, just to kind of give you an idea of what we can do with combining different systems. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.